Welcome back. When you're ready, begin by taking a few deep breaths and closing your eyes. Breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And one more, make it the biggest breath you've taken all day. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And now begin to breathe just through the nose. Just normal, natural breath. Natural rhythm. Natural depth. And just calmly settling in into this present moment. Putting aside the day thus far. Putting aside the day to come. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to do or plan. You can plan later, but for now, just meditate. Just sit. No other distractions. No other decisions. Just calmly sitting here, breathing through the nose. And as you breathe, no control. No control over the breath. Just breath as it is. As it is. And for today's brief introductory meditation, we'll do a quick body scan just to cover the basics of this technique, give you a feel for it. So begin with your attention at the top of the head, very top of the head, and feel for any sensations there, any pressure, heat, coldness, strain, pain. Perhaps you feel a tickling sensation, whatever it is. Perhaps a sensation you cannot name, whatever it is. Just be aware. Just observe. And now, move your attention down to the face. And pay attention once more. What sensations are here on the face, on the forehead, the eyebrows, the eyes, the nose, the cheeks, the mouth, the chin, the ears. What sensations are now present? And now continue. I won't guide you through every single part of the body, but move your attention throughout the entire body quite quickly, beginning with perhaps the shoulder and moving down through the arm, the elbow, the forearm, the wrist, the hand, the fingers, and the fingertips. And then the right arm, from the right shoulder, the right upper arm, the elbow, the forearm, the wrist, the hand, the fingers, and the fingertips. And then the chest, the back, and the legs. Go at your own pace. Just quickly observe, and once you have observed a sensation, keep moving your attention. Keep moving your attention. And if you finish the entire body, begin again. Begin again at the top of the head. Just a quick body scan, not even 10 minutes. Try to observe all the parts of the body, observing all the sensations, and just be aware what sensations are now present. That's all. That's it. That's the only thing you need to do. Our time is coming to an end, so wherever you are now, take another deep breath and send it to every corner of your body. Send the breath shooting to your fingertips and your toe tips. And release. When you're ready, open your eyes and return to the space. Thanks for joining. If you enjoyed this meditation, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you next week. Be happy.